I'm Coach Tammy Lee, and this is Cooking on the Bright Side. Every Friday, I release recipe tutorial videos to help you make healthy food to fuel your life. Today, I'm teaching you how to make Malaysian chicken soup. This recipe can be found in my recipe ebook, 20 minutes or less, which you will find on gofitlife.ca. Now let's get to the recipe, but before we do that, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn notifications on so you get my recipes to your inbox every week. Okay, you will have to gather up 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of red curry paste, 17.5 ounces or 500 grams of potatoes peeled and chopped, 4 cups of chicken stock, 3/4 cup of coconut milk, 17.5 ounces of sweet potatoes peeled and chopped, 2 chicken thighs, skinless, boneless, chopped, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 lime juiced, chili flakes to serve, 4 tablespoons of coriander chopped to serve. This recipe makes about 4 servings, 10 minutes to prep, and 35 minutes to cook. You're looking at about 392 calories, 13 grams of fat, 53 grams of carbs, and 19 grams of protein, and 1 gram of fiber per serving. Okay, let's get on with it.